A few days after the decision to defer debate on the bill and subsequent transmittal of the same to the Senate's Legal Affairs Committee for public participation, the government's chief legal advisor, Attorney General Prof Githu Muigai, has given his opinion on the matter.
Do not feel we have a crisis. I think this is politics Kenyan style. Both parties, by the way, this is the other interesting, both parties, by the way, have a point. Both parties have a point. That is to say, you cannot have an electronic system that has no backup because you are setting up yourself to fail. But the other group also has a point that primarily we are looking to strengthen the electronic voting side, and that's so. To bridge the two debates is not impossible.
Senate's Legal Affairs Committee has a week to invite public views on the bill, with the Attorney General scheduled to appear on Tuesday next week.
When I talked to the IEBC, they said, look, if we didn't have an injunction stopping us from auditing the voter register, if we didn't have an injunction stopping us from procuring the material we need, we would be well on our way. And if our commissioners were were sworn in within the next few weeks, we would well be on our way to keeping the deadlines. But now some uncertainty has been created by the intervention of the courts.
On matters corruption, the Attorney General, who is the chair of the multi-agency task force set up by the President, said that the agency is making good progress that will have visible results.
For the first time, we have a coherent strategy. We meet twice a week, and we have a coherent strategy. All the big cases are on the table. Whether you're talking NYS or whether you are talking the collapse of the banks, whatever, everything is on the table. And we are calling each other to account.
One of the discussions this year that has attracted arguments and counter-arguments from across the political divide is the case of the withdrawal from the ICC. On this matter, the AG says Kenyans and the world have not heard the last of the matter.
This matter is expected to come up for direction from the presidency in the new year. This is part of what is quite annoying, to use a strong word, when the court says Kenya does not cooperate. If we are arresting people, if our own courts are giving orders saying take these people to The Hague, how can that be non-cooperation? To withdraw or not to withdraw from the ICC is not a legal question. It's a political question. It will be decided by the political institutions.
As we usher in 2017, it would seem there is a lot on the government legal in-tray, from election laws, battling corruption, and implementing the two-thirds rule, where the Attorney General says it may be mandatory for political parties to give up some nomination seats to women once laws are put in place. Willis Raburu, Citizen TV, Nairobi.